Hello, Tashi Delek. This message is especially for Tibetans in North and South America. I'm Kelsang Pinsol Jungne. I am running for the 18th Tibetan Parliament in Exile, representing our North and South American Tibetan communities. Our movement stands at a critical juncture. Inside Tibet, our brothers and sisters still live without freedom, their voices silenced, their culture threatened by colonial-style boarding schools. In exile, we face challenges of identity, connection, and continuity, and a trauma-induced disunity, an often neglected issue that deeply affects our strength as a people. That's why I'm stepping forward to serve, to unite, and to strengthen our movement. My vision is simple but urgent: serving our youth, preserving our heritage, strengthening our movement. These are not just slogans, they are my promise of action. Together, we can build a stronger movement and ensure a lasting Tibetan heritage for generations to come. I will be in New York this coming Friday, January the 9th, and in Boston on Saturday, January the 10th. Please join me with courage and conviction for Tibet, for our people, and for our future. Thank you.